Topic chose from the book Muhammadﷺ, the festival institution of love and wisdom. Allah. Intensity of love depends on the perfection of your beloved. Allah, the most perfect, is not visible to us as we are to each other, but He can be recognized by His creation and sign. When a person recognizes Allah by pondering upon His sign, he falls in love with Him. This recognition can also be termed as faith or belief. The Holy Quran has mentioned the quality of certain believers, but those who believe are stronger in love for Allah. This love is much greater than the worldly love, and it is so intense that it cannot be even put into the comparison with worldly love. The reason of this intensity is the perfection of love. Prophet Muhammad demonstrated practically as well as taught us the love of Allah. That is why Allah made it obligatory for us to follow the footsteps of Prophet, because his path is